Think about it, lesson 1.1. Which set of two values makes this equation true? Select all that apply. If I see the words select all that apply, that means there's more than one answer. So before I continue, I'm actually going to look at the resources that we have. So we have some vocabulary words here. Place value, valeur positionnelle. If we have the ones place, then tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Here are the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So when I have a number written, like 548, the 8 is in the ones place, and the tens in the hundreds. If I'm multiplying 50 by 10, then the number 5, when I multiply by 10, is going to shift one place to the left and make 500. So if we look at the strategy, there's a strategy slide. Strategy slide. Two possible strategies. I'm going to focus on the one down at the bottom. Every time a number is multiplied by a power of 10, each digit shifts one place value to the left. So if I have 35 times 10, then the 35 is shifted further into the hundreds. So the 3, instead of a tens place, it goes to the hundreds place. So it becomes hundreds, tens, and ones. Now, in 4th grade, you probably learned that the decimal moves to the right. So the decimal moves over one place, so 35 turns into 350. So we're going from the 4th grade strategy, to the 5th grade, understanding the numbers shift when you're multiplying by a power of 10. This is going to be helpful as we're using more exponents. Then, if I go back to the actual question, if I say 50 times 10, then the numbers are going to shift. If this is the tens place, then it's going to shift to the left, and it's going to be 500s. So it's going to be to the 500s. So this would be correct. Be 500 times 0, we see that anything times 0 is 0. So it's not a 10. This answer is just going to be 0. C, 500 times 10, when we're multiplying by 10, this place value, which is now in the hundreds, goes to the left into the thousands. So it's going to be 5,000. D, 50, when we multiply it by 100, we have tens. This is the tens. It's going to shift 2 places to the left, so to the hundreds and the thousands. So it's going to be 5,000. E, we have 5. When we multiply it by 100, it's going to move 2 places. So if this is the ones, it's going to move to the tens, then the hundreds. 500. So the answers that are correct are E is correct, and A is correct in this one. So A and E are correct.